You're watching the Scrap Daddy channel.
Oh, that's nice. Nice and heavy. Carburetor or something. Oh, such weedier stuff. Sony. Yeah, these are the, yeah, I just took apart one of these earlier. Good for scrap. Some gold on there. There's some silver plated material in this card. There you go. Get a nice piece of clean sheet aluminum. It's difficult to put a value on the TVs. It depends on how much processing you do, but in general I'd say they're worth about $8 to $20 depending on how much processing and the type of TV it is. Sony's are definitely the better quality TVs. Yeah, they do make a lot of mess too. You got to deal with all the plastic trash. Ended up with little over 3 pounds of sheet aluminum, maybe about a pound of wire. All this motherboard material. Low grade. This is low grade. This is high grade. Yeah, we'll do a little mining on these. Strip the boards a little bit. Take some of these copper off. Doesn't take anything to get that. There's some silver in these blue ones. Yeah, what they look like up close. You're gonna have to pluck about a pound's worth to get that 20 bucks. Depopulated low grade. This stuff we'll just wait till we get about 20 pounds. You can get $60. You also can just cut, clip, get about a pound of gold pins and sell them on eBay. So we just start a number 2 bin. Middle? Yeah. Bravia. Oh, it's got a crack right there. Japan. Similar ones sell for about 35 bucks. If I wasn't so picky, I would have taken it. I don't know why I didn't take it. I could have sold it at a garage sale for 3 bucks, 4 bucks. Broken, made in Italy. Seahawk. Goes for about 25 on eBay. So another Seahawk. No coating. Blood glucose. Interesting. No. We're gonna glue the garage sale items. Christmas. I'll play with that later, look through it, see if there's any vintage Christmas stuff. Sometimes that can fetch money. Somebody just kicked the boat out of the house. Extruded aluminum. Looks like they're scrapping this, getting rid of it. Oh yeah, they got a wheel missing. That thing's heavy duty. All I gotta do is replace the wheel on that. That's easy enough to do. Aluminum on mine. Man, that almost looks like a new piece of decoration there. Yeah, I just scored all this aluminum, guys. Incredible. I just saw this painting. It's pretty Douglas Van something. It's on wood or something. Couple of these. Doodads. And use those. Christmas tree lights. I think I'll pass on those. This is kind of cool. Got a bit of brass on it. sure what that is. Some sewing stuff. Thank you, whoever you are. Here's a little closer view of the painting I scored off the street there. It's pretty decent. Here's a couple other smaller paintings that I found here. They're about $10 each. I can throw those on eBay and get a quick sale. But I think this piece is like a lithograph copy or some kind of a copy of a original. And it's, you know, properly framed. And then I've did a little research. I found some on the internet. Looks like the prices range from $500 out of stock to $1,000 to $1,500. Well, guys, that was one compact scrap run from a bathtub to a Sony TV and a Buddha statue to a Douglas Van Howell painting lithograph. I mean, you name it, it was out there on the street, sewing stuff. Anyway, thanks for coming along, and we'll see you out there on the next one.